Welcome back, everybody. So today's product review is going to be on our, wood composite panel. We're using a product here from Northwood. I think they're made from Intertek. It's a Canadian product. It's really awesome, extremely well built. I mean, this little section right here probably weighs at least 10 pounds. So you can see if you look through here through the cross section, the fluted panels are thick. I would say each one of these flutes is comprised of about at least a 1/4 inch of material through and throughout, in the base as well. It has a very simple tongue and groove system. It uses a simple clip system to put the panels in place. So basically what we did here was we installed this straight over our zip sheathing. In some instances you could put it over a rain screen and so many other applications and substrates you can go onto. And I will say it was very easy to install, went up quickly, and really good quality. And one thing to keep in mind, the price point isn't great. So it's a little bit on that mid to high price point, but if you were to replicate this in like Shou Sugi Ban or get real wood and paint it, the lifespan is going to be way less than this solid wood composite product. So that's why we went with that here. We're trying to mimic that wood look. I think it actually did really, really well. Most people have come up to here and felt it and really don't believe that it's actually a composite material. It has a very good wood grain and texture to it. So we'll get you up a little closer so you can get a better idea of what that looks like. And while you're here, you can see it's pretty much seamless because of the clip system and the tongue and groove. You can't see where one panel starts and ends. All the screw heads are hidden, and there's transition pieces for the corners. They have two types of corners. You can install this product vertically like we did. You can go horizontal as well, and they have other products other than this fluted wall panel. So check it out. We'll leave in a link to the website in the description. And hopefully this was helpful to you. And if you like what we have, please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll try to get more content out to you.